Okay, check this out. I found this machine in Westlake Center and thought it was pretty cool. As it says here, Pack Shack, your local card shop in 10 feet squared. Basically, you can buy all sorts of different baseball cards, football cards, basketball cards, etc. Almost any kind of cards you want. As you can see here, there's all sorts of different cards you can browse through. There's a pretty large selection of cards they have, and then you just select which ones you want, and it comes out the bottom after you pay. Obviously it tells you the price, and then all sorts of different stuff about them as well. Just looking around, there's all sorts of different cards. Even non-sports ones if you're into that. Back to the main screen, it's kind of cool. It rotates through different Seattle teams and shows the stadiums in the background where they play, including the Mariners, Seahawks, Storm, which are in the same place the Seattle Supersonics used to play, and the Seattle Kraken. Here's the Mariners. Well, anyway, I thought it was pretty interesting. It's time for me to pack it up and head out. See you next time from Westlake Center. Signing out.